Today we will be doing session 16 of Word Power Made Easy. The first root is chronos, which means time. The words relating to this root are, the first word is chronic. Chronic means something that keeps happening frequently. It happens again and again. For example, a chronic liar is someone who keeps lying again and again. The next word is anachronism, which has the roots chronos, which means time. But since we use a negative prefix ana in the start, the word becomes negative. So it means something out of time or outdated. For example, in today's computer world, a floppy disk is an anachronism. So the floppy disk is outdated. The next word is incongruity, which has the roots con. Con means with or together. Gruous is a root which means to agree, and there is a negative prefix ion in the start, so it becomes something that is strange or which does not agree to the scenario. For example, wearing a sweater to a formal wedding is incongruous, or wearing a heavy ethnical dress at an office is incongruous. It is something strange, something out of the place. The next word is chronological. Chronological means arranging in an order, arranging in the order that things happened or came to be. The time is used as a measurement of arranging these things. The next word is chronology, which has the roots chrono, which means time, plus logo. Logo means science or study. So chronology is a science that deals with measuring time and finding out when the events had happened. It is a list of events in order of their occurrence. The next word is chronometer. Chronometer has the roots chrono, which means time, plus metro. Metro means measuring or measurement. So it is a device that measures time accurately. It is usually used in ships so that they can know what the time is. Chronometry. Chronometry is a measurement of time, and chronometric is its adjective. The next word is synchronize. Synchronize has the roots sync, which means together, plus chronos, which means time. So it means to happen at the same time. For example, you and your friends synchronize the dance steps. So it means you all are performing the dance steps at the same time, at the same beat. The noun of the verb is synchronization. The next word is pathology. Pathology comes from two roots pathos. Pathos means suffering or feeling, plus logo, which means study. So pathology means study of diseases, its nature, its cause, its cure, etc. The next word is pathologist. Pathologist is someone who is an expert in examining and diagnosing the disease by autopsy or biopsy. Pathos also means feeling. So some of the words relating to this are sympathy. Sympathy has two roots, sym, S-Y-M, which means with or together, and pathos, which means feeling. So having same feeling. For example, during labor, the husbands sympathize with their wife. So they share the feeling, or they feel sorry for their wives, or they feel that pain. The other word is antipathy. Antipathy has two roots: anti, which means against, plus pathos, which means feeling. So it is a strong feeling to dislike or hostility. The adjective is antipathic. But now you can have no feelings at all for someone, which means apathy. Apathy has a, which is a negative prefix, plus pathos, which means lack of feelings. So at any given situation, you have no feeling, like voter apathy, which means having no feeling. The next word is empathy, which comes from the roots em, which means in, and pathos means feeling. The meaning of this word is identification with another's feelings. You may be empathetic in that situation. For example, if someone has lost a bike and even you have lost it at some other time, so you know how that feeling is, you can be in that person's shoe. So you not only share, but you identify those feelings and those experience. The next word is pathetic. Pathetic means arousing sympathy or sadness, having suffering, a pathetic story about suffering which arouses sadness, sorrow, or pity. The next word is telepathy, which has the roots tele, which means distance, plus pathos, which means feeling. So communication from a distance via a feeling. For example, you and your friend, you all have not spoken to each other but have the same feeling, is known as being telepathic. Sometimes you may ask yourself how the other person is reading the mind of one another. This explains telepathy. So with this we finish learning the words. Now you can pause the video and solve these exercises where the prefix is given and the meaning is given, and you will identify the English words that were just discussed previously. Pronunciation of the words: chronicity, anachronism, anachronous, anachronistic, incongruous, incongruity, chronological, chronology, chronologist, chronometer, chronometry, chronometric, synchronize, synchronization, synchronous. The next set of words: pathology, pathologist, sympathy, sympathetic, sympathize, antipathy, antipathetic, apathy, apathetic, empathy, empathize, empathetic, pathetic, telepathy, and telepathic. You can pause the video and solve this match the column and then check your answers to know that whether you have understood the following words and whether you understand these words. So you can pause the video and solve these exercises to know if you have understood today's session. Thank you.